like even though I'm being like loose and lazy with the shifter, you can just tell it's so much more reassuring. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Unity FL1 is here with me again. So we've done a lot of mods to this car, but one thing we didn't do when we had the battery and intake off was we didn't throw in a cable linkage bushing, one of those oversights when we're just trying to cram in a million parts. But today we're going to get that done, and you've already seen the hybrid racing box in my hands. So over here I have the hybrid racing shifter cable bushings. Now, one of the first questions you may ask is, hey, the QED cable linkage bushings, aren't they more popular? Why aren't you going for those instead? Well, Unity CTR, Unity SI, Unity SIR. Welcome back, guys. Hamza here, Unity FL1 in the house again. And now when we did the intake install, we should have also done the shifter cable linkage bushing as well. This is a very popular mod. The one that we have here is from Hybrid Racing. The Acuity one is quite popular as well. I've got the Acuity on my... Welcome back, guys. Hamza here from Unity Performance. We're back with FL1 in the house. Now, when we did the PRL intake inlet, we should have also taken the time to throw the shifter linkage bushings over here, but we didn't do that. We're just kind of rushing everything. So today we're gonna have to take after the battery out, because we did see that we can just kind of pry, you know, just behind it without taking the intake off. So as you can tell, bushing over there is going to get an upgrade. We're going to go from rubber bushings over to the acetal bushings made by Hybrid Racing. Now, historically, we've sold a lot of the Acuity bushings, and that's what I'm running in my Unity CTR. Lucy's running in his Unity SI, Siobhan in his Unity SIR, and Jay in his Unity FE1. But of course, we want to represent, you know, all brands and test out all the products. So for Unity FL1 and Unity FL5, we're going to be running the ones from Hybrid Racing. So we have those two over here that will go in. Install is quite simple. With the battery removed on the FL1, there's a little bit more space to play with. With other models and trims, you may have to take both battery and the intake out. So let's go through the install and show you guys the process, and we'll show you before and after how the shifter improves. And actually, I should talk about it. So essentially, with the factory cable linkage bushings, shifter is very vague. You're kind of going from first, second, third, fourth, and it's very rubbery. What you're doing with these bushings is really making that shift a lot more positive feeling and engaging from gate to gate. So then if you come around over here, I'll show you what that looks like. So clutch in, right now it's in neutral. So this is a stock shifter, pretty good, but we want to just make it so when you go from each gear, it's a lot more reassuring. And that's what people like when it comes to Honda shifters, especially when you're rolling through them pretty fast. So without further ado, let's go ahead with the install.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh yes,
Saved it.
saved it.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making.
Alright guys, that was almost easy. We did drop the second bushing, but we'll put that in the bloopers over there. As you can tell, both are in now. So first try, let's shift. Get some additional lighting in the cabin. Okay, let's feel that. Oh yeah, right away. Yep. Like even though I'm being like loose and lazy with the shifter, you can just tell it's so much more reassuring going into each gear. So again, I'll do it a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse. And since it's Junaid's car, I'm gonna let him feel how his car is. And I'll take the video.
Oh, let's see.
All right.
Oh yeah. It feels that much, just a little bit more notchy.
That's it. It's just more
Feels like
notchy
you
and
actually gotta
reassuring.
Put a little bit more effort in.
Exactly.
So much better.
There it is. All right. Thank you, Hybrid Racing. Really happy to, well, I'm going to get to roll the gears in the car another day. Today, it's going to be Junaid enjoying.
Sounds good.